Hi everyone, welcome to day 10. Today we will learn about iterators in DAX, functions like SUMX, AVERAGEX, MAXX, and many others. All these functions end with an X and they need two parameters, a table and an expression to calculate for each row. Suppose we have unit sales amount and quantity in the sales table. To calculate total revenue, we can't just sum one column. Here we need to calculate total price for each row and then sum all the results. So create a new measure and type total revenue equals to SUMX opening parenthesis. The table name is sales, comma, and the expression to calculate for each row will be multiplication of unit price and quantity. Now here SUMX goes row by row in the sales table, multiply the unit price and the quantity and then adds them all together. Press enter. Now go to report view and drag the measure. It will show the total revenue. Similarly, to find average profit per product, create a new measure and type average profit equals to average X opening parenthesis. The table name is sales, comma, and for expression select quantity column multiplication and within bracket select sale amount minus unit cost and press enter. Drag the average profit and you can see the average profit per product. Now max X, create a new measure, type max sales equals to max X opening parenthesis, select the table name sales, comma, and for expression select quantity column multiply by sale amount. Press enter, go to report view, drag the max sales and you can see the maximum sales. So in this way you can use iterator functions in DAX. In the next video we will explore time intelligence basics like year to date, quarter to date and same period last year. Stay tuned.